At the heart of Europe lies Austria. Its capital, Vienna, with 1.9 million inhabitants, has been voted as the most livable city in the world for the last 10 years in a row. Right here, just 3 kilometers from the historical city centre, is the start of Marie-Hilfer-Straße, Austria's longest shopping street. And this is where we are building our most innovative IKEA store ever. Our new store will feature iconic and sustainable architecture, with excellent access to public transportation. We know that most people in the city do not have a car, so everyone in Vienna will be able to walk, cycle, scooter, or take the underground, train, tram or bus to IKEA Westbahnhof. And those arriving on public transport will need no longer than half an hour from almost anywhere in the city. Everything that can be easily carried out of the store can be taken home immediately. And we will deliver the rest within 24 hours to precisely where our customers want it. The building will host our IKEA store, an innovative hostel, as well as 4 retailers along Marie-Hilfer-Straße. And there'll be a rooftop garden too, publicly accessible with an inviting bar and a great view of Vienna's skyline. A central void will make it easy to move from one floor to the next. 3 entrances and multiple checkout possibilities will encourage shoppers to drop in spontaneously. Our new IKEA store will be home to 160 trees that will cool down the building by around 2 degrees and help us attain an excellent BREEAM certification. It will be a landmark, clearly visible from afar.